I went for a walk at my favorite park today after work, and they have a lot of flowers blooming in their botanical gardens right now. And I just took a little stroll around and took pictures of everything that's blooming right now. This is just a little reminder to take your time and smell the flowers and look at the flowers and just enjoy nature, and don't rush around so much all the time. Look at the beauty in the things around you. I had a really nice walk, and it was calming to walk among the beautiful flowers today.